Hello, this is Mrs. McMahon, and in this episode, we're going to be talking about living on minimum wage, clothing, pets, and miscellaneous living expenses. So on this particular page, page 9 of your packet, we're going to be filling in these tables on expenses. So we want to know what are inexpensive places to buy, where are places you purchase clothes that are inexpensive, where do you purchase clothes that are more moderately priced, and where do you purchase clothes that are expensive to purchase. You're going to use the internet to find average monthly costs of owning a dog and a cat. This is regardless of whether or not you own a dog or a cat. This is research for what is the average cost across the United States. And then, did this information surprise you? Why or why not? And if you currently own a pet, you can put how this information is different or the same as what you're currently paying. And if you plan to get a pet in the future, when maybe you're moving into a place on your own, does it surprise you how much or how little they cost? Last on this page is these miscellaneous expenses. So you're going to fill out the table by estimating how much you would spend monthly for each category. Some categories may not apply to you, and if you're working a full-time job, but you're going to write down the cost for each of these, and you're going to put NA if it would not apply to you. So if you're not going to school, for example, if you're going to a trade school, then that's what they're referring to for school tuition and fees, books, supplies, etc. This is if you plan to go to school after college, after high school, you're planning to go to college or vocational school, that's where those costs per month go. If you're currently, as I'm sure you are, in high school and you're with a correspondence program or a charter program, then these are not expenses you'd have, and these would be NA categories. You cannot tell me that a category is NA for personal necessities, because I am certain you are all taking showers, hopefully shampooing, shaving, all of those grooming things. Those personal necessity expenses are what you're capturing and recording here. Incidentals, gifts, books, these are all those fun little things that you like to buy for yourself and others. And you need to estimate what that cost per month would be. And that concludes Living on Minimum Wage, page 9. See you in the next episode.